jawbreaker experiment. We're gonna put it in the microwave for a minute and a half, see what happens. Alright, there's the jawbreaker. Alright, work the microwave. My assistant.
You want to do the...
Oh, my bad. Hell the fun. And what we think right now, it's supposed to blow up, but we don't know if it's going to blow up. So we're going to find out if it's going to blow up.
Wait, isn't that for the one? No, this is for the video. Oh, yeah.
Right now. No, I would like that.
Okay, so we're going to say it. So we can have like
It smells like plastic.
Plastic. It's a jawbreaker.
It smells like candy, sugary, cooking
It's
up.
sizzling.
It's sizzling. Can't you hear the sizzles? I hear no sizzles. Hey, shut up. Listen, the sizzles? I don't think so.
Shut up.
Do I try Funko?
Should we open
Okay, it smells like something's burning up.
We should have like paused it and then continued.
How did this thing come out? It melted. It smells like really bad, but it melted though. As you see, it melted. Horrible. It's like an eggshell. And there you go. That is your jawbreaker. I wonder if you can eat this. That is your jawbreaker. Are we done?
But wait.
We were gonna half jawbreaker, microwave, 45 seconds. Alright, man.
Sick.
And this is how.
It'll be like when it's done.
This is how it will look like when it's done. The microwave is finished. Nothing happened to half the jawbreakers. We are going to turn the microwave on for about a minute now. This is what it will be like when it's done. This is a microwave. Only one of them melted, as you can see in this video. It's bubbling, sizzling hot, bacon.